How to disable CAPTCHA on Google Chrome. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to disable CAPTCHA or automatically complete CAPTCHA on Google Chrome. Let's just get started. You can do this by downloading an extension from your Chrome web store. Basically, on your Chrome browser, just go ahead and search for web store and click on Chrome web store. Once you open up your Chrome web store, all you have to do is search for auto CAPTCHA, hit enter. And you can find all of these options here. You can install any one of them. Look at the ratings. So I'll just go to reCAPTCHA solver, click on add to Chrome, click on add extension. Once the extension has been added, you can go ahead and simply search for reCAPTCHA demo. Open any one of them. Now just click on I'm not a robot. And if your extension is added, as you can see, the verification is successful. You don't have to manually do anything here. This extension right here is going to do it for you. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.